Yo,
What's
yo!
up?
Midpoint in the house. Hey guys, this week we're continuing on For the Win series in Proverbs. This week we're talking about guarding your heart. Guard your heart, bro.
Seriously.
And how it is the wellspring of life, how everything flows from your heart. So we need to protect it. So check out the small group questions and get ready.
Word. It's going to be sweet. Another thing we're going to be doing is we're starting Love in Action, which is coming up in May, which is going to be amazing. We're so excited. We're doing so many crazy stuff for it. We're going to have a poverty simulation where we're really going to allow our students to kind of experience what does it really look like to really be a part of something that they really probably don't really engage in much because of where we live. And they get to experience what does it really look like to be impoverished and to struggle and to not have money for food and for groceries and necessities. And so it's going to be a really awesome time. But one thing we're also doing, which we did last year, if you remember, is we're going to be helping to get backpacks for students in need. And one of the things that we've committed to do this year is actually to collect the pencils. And so we're going to be collecting 20,000 pencils, which is a lot of pencils. And if you do the math, it's about 50 pencils per student. And so
huge amount of pencils.
It's a lot of pencils. And so we're going to be able to write a lot of things on paper. We're going to be able to draw a lot of things. Please don't let the pencils be bitten, used, chewed, all that for crazy stuff.
New pencils.
Like new ones. So especially don't come take them off my desk because they're not going to be good because it's like corn on the cob. So don't do that. But bring some pencils in. It's going to be sweet. I know they said something like Walmart sells a bunch of them for really cheap. So just encourage your students to be doing that. We're going to be starting soon. And 20,000 is a lot, so we got to start early. Also, just to let you guys know, as we've talked about this last couple weeks, we've only got a couple more, like month and a half really left before the summer. And so this is about that time where, we really want to make it count. Right, we only got about a month and a half with our students in our small groups. Obviously, we have the summer. We'll still be seeing them. But you guys will hopefully be taking a little bit of a break and only coming every so often. So our small groups are going to be ending in about a month and a half. So we really want to end strong. We want to make it count. We want you guys to really be encouraging these students just as they enter into that summertime to really be diving in with the Word, with their Lord, and just with their students and friends in small group.
Yes, and with that too, June, the first weekend in June is when we're doing Promotion Sunday, so be thinking about whether you want to commit to another year with Midpoint and moving up with your group. We'd love to have you back. You guys are very much hard to replace, and the experience that you already have, the relationships you already have are... you're way ahead of anyone new that we could bring in, and so it would mean a ton to us and to the students you serve to come back and serve for another year. So be thinking about that, and if you haven't had a conversation with Mark or Madison or Kaylee or Josh or myself about whether you're coming back or whether you're going to take a break or whether you're done or whatever it might be sure that you're thinking about that and you're starting to have those conversations soon so we know what to expect and we know what to plan for, and that would be really awesome. So I know that some of our strongest groups in the students who've been impacted the greatest by our ministry are often done so because of long-term relationships that they've built with our leaders. So that is an invaluable thing to our ministry. So we greatly appreciate you, especially those who are with us for, it's been 2, 3, 4 years already. You guys are amazing. So we love the legacy that you are building, the legacy that you're leading. Cool. So yeah, month and a half left.
Woo-hoo!
Who's that one kid that you want to really impact, or those couple kids? What do you what do you need to do? What conversations do you need to have? Are you praying for them? All that kind of stuff. It's coming down to the wire. So we love you guys. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the warm weather.
Woo-hoo!
Melt the snow away. May it never come back.
Yes,
ever.
please.
All right. We'll see you guys on Sunday.
Peace.
And Saturday. We'll see you on Saturday.
Yes, Saturday.
Or Sunday. Come to your proper service. All right. Bye.